Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can add a menu to a page on Wix. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Wix.com and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here at the top, as you can see guys, you're gonna find the option to create a new folder, and right next to it, you're gonna find the option to create a new site. In the center of your screen, you're going to find all of the sites that you have on Wix. So right now, go to the site you want to edit, hover your mouse over it and click on select and edit site. Once you do that, you're going to be taken to your dashboard. So once here in the dashboard, just go to the left side of your screen. Here you're going to find all of these sections, and in the bottom, you're going to find the option to edit site. So right now, what you need to do, guys, is go ahead and click on edit site, and then you're going to be redirected to this tab right here. So just wait for this page to load. This is basically going to be the Wix website editor. So just wait for the editor to load, and then once loaded, you're going to be here. So this is how it will look like. If you go here to the left, you're going to find all of these tools that will help you to customize and design your site. And right now, just go here to pages and menu. And then once you do that right here, as you can see, guys, you're going to find all of your menus and also your pages. So right now, if you want, for example, to make a page, a drop-down menu for a menu. So I'm going to show you guys how you can do it. Just go ahead and add the page and then go back to this menu, and then you're going to find your new page added. Once it's added, just go ahead and hold click on it like this, and then as you can see guys, you can make it a drop down menu for this page, or if you want to add it to the main page, just click on main page like this. So this is pretty simple and easy. Once you finish, don't forget to save your changes, and then you're good to go. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.